The farm perimeter is the first line of defense to a swine producer's facility. Biosecurity begins at the farm perimeter. You must control the movement of what comes and goes on your premise. You must identify risk. Check all vehicles, all visitors, all service crews, and all deliveries, even tools and equipment can carry organic material and potentially harmful pathogens onto the premises. Hypochlorous acid-generated disinfectant solution from an on-site and on-demand Kirkmayer ECA generator can be deployed at strategic perimeter locations, including controlled farm entrances, vehicle sanitation stations, delivery and service areas, equipment transfer points, loading approaches, and designated clean and dirty transition zones.
Thank you for taking the time to view our video. If you would like more information about our technology, please visit our website at kirkmeyercanada.com. Perhaps you may know someone that our technology may be of interest. We would appreciate if you would share your findings. Again, thank you from Kirkmayer Canada.